Ford has unveiled the new gen version of its popular pickup truck, Ranger. The Ranger is one of Ford's best-selling pickups globally, and this new gen Ranger debuts with new powertrains, a bold new exterior design that nods to the large Ford F-150 pickup and Bronco SUVs, and a completely revamped cabin. The new Ford Ranger will go on sale in international markets by late 2022. The 4th gen pickup does arrive with a completely new front and rear design. A new bolder looking front grille is encased with new C-shaped headlamps, while the sides benefit from slightly more pronounced wheel arches. At the back, new tail lamps follow a similar C-shaped look, and the new tailgate offers the Ranger name stamped into the metal. For the first time, there's LED lighting on offer at either end. There are some significant chassis updates too that are hiding beneath the bodywork. For example, the wheelbase has gone up by 50 mm and so has the track width. Thus, the 2022 Ranger offers a wider footprint and more space for rear occupants than the outgoing version. A reworked hydroformed front-end structure also allows for a larger engine bay that can now accommodate a new V6 motor. The cabin of the new Ford Ranger has also been updated with a fresh new design. Taking center stage on the dashboard is a new 10-inch or 12-inch depending on the trim portrait-oriented touchscreen with the latest version of Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system. The screen is flanked by vertical AC vents on either side and a stack of buttons for the climate control below. The dashboard has a clean, uncluttered look with an all-black theme and premium soft-touch materials. A fully digital instrument cluster allows drivers to customize the information shown and adapts its display to suit the 6 new driving modes previously only available in the Raptor. However, many of the off-roading controls are now found in the touchscreen, and there's a dedicated screen for off-roading that includes data on the driveline, steering angle, vehicle pitch, and roll angles alongside other useful information and controls. Ford has also added several features to the load bed, including new clamps built into the tailgate to give you a mobile workbench for holding materials for cutting. Plastic capping on the load bed's edges prevent damage to the body and conceal structural anchoring points for easy attachment of canopies or covers. Molded slots in the bed now allow you to fit dividers to customize the box. Powertrain options include a 2.0-litre diesel engine, which will be offered with single and double turbochargers for different power outputs. Moreover, a 3.0-litre V6 diesel will be offered, churning out 210 horsepower and 498 Nm of max output. In select markets, a 2.3-litre turbo petrol motor will also be made available. Transmission choices will include 5-speed manual transmission, 6-speed manual transmission, and a 10-speed automatic transmission. In addition, there are 2 different 4-wheel drive systems on offer this time.